Now might be the perfect time for you to get your house in order.
Keith Kaiser joins professional organizer Pinky Jackson to learn how you can organize so you can downsize. Keith.
Many folks have been in their homes, have been looking around saying, maybe this is too big, maybe I need to downsize and go get something smaller. And Pinky Jackson's got some advice here. You probably see it all the time, and especially right now with people staring at the four walls or saying, I need to get rid of some of this stuff. How do you organize to downsize?
Great question, great question. It's really important that you first of all have at least a good idea of where you're going from here. What's going to be the difference in your square footage? And what storage are you going to have? Because a lot of people, when they first start downsizing, want to keep a lot more items than they're actually going to have dedicated storage space for. So it's a good idea to pull everything out and take a look at what you have. These are some examples of some things that didn't make the cut to go to the next home because they simply weren't needed. You don't need as much decoration. You're not doing as many dinner parties. You're not entertaining as much. And this is a biggie. You know, when a lot of our clients, 50% of our clients are over the age of 60. And we're moving a lot of them into senior living facilities and nursing homes and patio homes. And there's just not room for a 3-story house worth of furnishings, right? So you have to look at the treasures that you have. Does anyone in the family want them? The answer is often no. Does anyone in the community want to buy them? Want to receive them, you know, as a charitable donation? That's a really lovely thing to do. And there's lots of places that you can donate those to. In fact, we put on your website. And
then, so grandma's china right there.
Yes.
You know, maybe they don't want the whole set, but just parting it out, having a little dinner party,
That's
6 feet apart maybe, and then parting those pieces out.
That's exactly right.
Keep it in the family, and of course, you'll be able to go to a smaller place and be free of some of the stuff that you have. So Candace Sterling, we've been talking all morning long how to organize, how to make sure that you're cleaning out the house, donating where you need to, and of course feeling better about doing that. So do you need one of these? I don't know if they're for sale or not. I might just sell them to you.
But that's what I was going to say. Don't push it on people. That's where donating it to an organization, they can find someone who wants it. But just because you love it doesn't mean that your children or grandchildren are going to love it.
Boy, isn't that the truth.
I'm not saying this from experience or anything, but you know, I mean,
Right.
we all have things
we've all
that
been
are
there.
meaningful to us. We got to realize they're not meaningful to everybody. So,
and once you
don't push it.
Once you declutter and get rid of all that junk, don't you just feel so much better?
Yes,
I do.
When the house is neat for a day until it all starts creeping back out.
That's real life, Candace.
Yep.